Before you sleep tonight, you might want to try this. Because your body actually processes energy a bit differently at night. And most people don't really think about this. Which could be one reason belly fat feels so stubborn. Even when you're trying to eat right and stay active. Most people focus only on diet and workouts. But what happens during sleep often gets ignored. And that's when your body is still very active. It's not just resting. It's regulating, repairing, and balancing systems. One important hormone here is melatonin. It helps regulate your sleep cycle. But it may also play a role in how your body uses energy. Some research suggests it could support fat metabolism, especially when your sleep quality is good. That's one reason poor sleep is often linked to weight gain. So the question is, how can you support your body during this time without overcomplicating things? Sometimes, simple habits can help. One option is a warm drink before bed. Just plain water with fresh lemon juice. And a small pinch of cinnamon. Nothing fancy. Lemon may support digestion. Cinnamon may help with blood sugar balance. And more stable blood sugar at night may support your metabolism. You can have it about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Keep it simple and avoid adding sugar. It's not our magic fix, but it can be a helpful addition. Like and share if you find the video to be productive. If you're into simple, science-based health insights like this, consider subscribing to the Health Chronicle.